I want to get down here.
Oh yeah.
Street's all the way down there, and down this way as well is flooded, man.
You missed the ducks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Hi folks, this is James. So over
here on Pierrefonds.
here, you got Tim Hortons. That's the other side of Pierrefonds Boulevard. Subways. There's a gas station at the corner.
It's all closed.
There's Jean Coutu. All these businesses are closed due to flooding.
Yeah. So due to floodings, guys, I'm riding my bike, and this guy in the middle over there, he's riding his bike. So kind of crazy. And here comes a fire truck. Fire rescue. I'm gonna go down this way. So yeah, taking you a journey here. I'm in my neighborhood, and try to see how to find a way to show you more. Oh, there's a duck. I was about to go down there, and two ducks. So yeah, welcome to my neighborhood, Montreal Quebec Pierrefonds. On my bike, I'm using my iPhone 6s Plus, which has great camera. Here's not so bad. So yeah, taking you along to another street here called St. John's Boulevard. Well, here is not so bad, but the parking lot over there, there's bobcats, cars, streets are blocked. So yeah, that's the latest update, guys. The water only came out this far. So stay tuned on more videos, guys. Yeah, top-notch lawn care's back. More floodings. By Jean Coutu and Tim Hortons and Subways. And more laddles. So yeah. Pretty bad by the water. Their basements are flooded right now, so yeah, still here. Moved over to the other parking lot. You can see over there. This whole street is like a river. You could actually take a canoe and canoe along the street. So yeah, this is is the update. We had lots of rain, man. 3 days rain. Gonna rain again. And this is my area, Montreal, Quebec, Pierrefonds and Street Pierrefonds Boulevard in St. John's. I don't know what happened here, man, but there's a lot of flood and lots of rain. I don't know how people could go through this, man. A lot of the buses are rerouted or have to take a different route. So, in our area it's pretty good because we're like higher up. We don't have to worry about these types of floods. And yeah, I like to move over there, but my brother's over there, so I'll wait. I came here on my bike, my work bike. I don't have my trailer with me, so I detached. So yeah, pretty bad, guys. I'm gonna post this, guys, on YouTube and Facebook. With another video. Drummer here with top-notch lawn care. Back again. This part is Pierrefonds Boulevard and where the 201 turns. Parking lot's filled. Look at the cars over there. It's almost right up. Yeah, me too. So yeah, compare over there to here. Pretty bad, man. When we back, I'm gonna move over to the other side. So yeah, back another part of the parking lot. Check that out, man. Let me go closer. I took my bike. Some kids like to play in the water. It's like a tornado. Hi, drummer here with Top Notch Lawn Care. This is what's happening in my area. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, city Pierrefonds. And we got major floods. It's like a river. So we had lots of rain. Due rainfalls. There's rivers on side streets. Look at this car trying to go. He won't make it through there, man. And yeah, so police cars down there, if you can see. More police cars down that end. And a bit of the parking lot. Yeah, so this is my area. You could see there's a tape there. There's cars parked, but there's a car parked there. But look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. It's over the curbs. Over there. Over there. Everywhere. Yeah. This is some of the area not far from my house. And yeah, it's pretty bad. Rain tonight and I think rain tomorrow, but I hope everything will be back to normal because it's pretty bad. See, there's a car trying to come through. Or, yeah, he's trying to come through. Not smart. It's like a river. I don't know how people could drive their cars through here, man. They had to reroute the buses. Look at that, man. When cars come, it's like a river. Like waves coming in as a beach. Yeah, so there's like, it's pretty bad. I'll be back. I want to check on the other streets.